One, when him start murder Tommy Lee, uno say, him a throw shades. Him a this, him a that. Now, when the man come out and hit directly, start beat and shot start beat, you hear one run out and say, cartel no fi answer him, cartel not answer him. And uno, same one. As the Gaza sheep and the nation, I tell him and say, if you mention his name, know when the man do it, that is a hypocrite, and that is why, and that is why I understand that. Because you know why? The entire Gaza crew is delusional. Moreover, uno not have no loyalty. The next thing, uno full of a baga mix up. Uno no know on the head for on the tail, bro. Anyway, down in a system. Come want to talk about that. Come hear you mention sitting and I said the man a ball in a system. No. Remember when Tommy Lee jump out and Tommy Lee say have secret for the man. And Masicka say, yo, release the secret. Where are the secrets we him have? He not have none. No, Masicka come with receipts. Masicka come with facts.
What kind of release?
Masicka come to unmask the dark underworld behind the Gaza camp, which he did insist.
You're not going like a fucking dolly house.